Welcome back to the Wheelmasters. The 2025 Toyota Auto Rakshawa is making waves in the automotive world, and today, we're diving deep into all the updates, features, and news surrounding this highly anticipated vehicle. Toyota has always been a brand synonymous with reliability, innovation, and cutting-edge technology, and the 2025 Auto Rakshawa is no exception. This model is designed to cater to the modern driver who values safety, performance, and style, all wrapped into one impressive package. One of the most exciting updates for the 2025 Toyota Auto Rakshawa is its enhanced safety features. Toyota has taken vehicle safety to the next level with the inclusion of advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS). These systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The Auto Rakshawa also features a 360-degree camera system, providing drivers with a comprehensive view of their surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. These safety features are not just add-ons but are integrated seamlessly into the vehicle's design, ensuring a smooth and secure driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Auto Rakshawa boasts a powerful yet efficient engine. Toyota has equipped this model with a hybrid powertrain, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. The hybrid system is designed to switch seamlessly between electric and gasoline power, depending on driving conditions, ensuring optimal performance at all times. This makes the Auto Rakshawa an excellent choice for both city driving and long-distance travel, offering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The exterior design of the 2025 Toyota Auto Rakshawa is another area where this vehicle shines. Toyota has given the Auto Rakshawa a bold and modern look, with sleek lines, a dynamic front grille, and LED headlights that not only enhance visibility but also add to the vehicle's overall aesthetic appeal. The aerodynamic design not only looks good but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency and reduced wind noise, making for a quieter and more comfortable ride. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Auto Rakshawa offers a luxurious and tech-savvy environment. The interior is designed with high-quality materials, providing a premium feel that rivals some of the more expensive luxury vehicles on the market. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, even on long drives, and the spacious interior ensures that both drivers and passengers have plenty of room to stretch out. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. Toyota has also focused on sustainability with the 2025 Auto Rakshawa. The hybrid powertrain is just the beginning. The vehicle also features eco-friendly materials used throughout the interior, reducing its overall environmental impact. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect of the Auto Rakshawa, from its production process to its on-road performance. This makes the Auto Rakshawa not just a smart choice for drivers but also a responsible one for the planet. In terms of technology, the 2025 Toyota Auto Rakshawa is packed with features that cater to the modern driver. The vehicle comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, providing drivers with all the information they need at a glance. The infotainment system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. Additionally, the Auto Rakshawa features a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring that you and your passengers stay connected no matter where the road takes you. The 2025 Toyota Auto Rakshawa is also designed with versatility in mind. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out on a weekend adventure, or simply running errands around town, this vehicle is equipped to handle it all. The spacious cargo area